Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when your voice chat is not working in Overwatch. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, what you have to do is get over to your desktop, and then here right click on your speakers icon and then click on sounds. After this, go over to recording and make sure your microphone is set to default. Just click on this and then click on set default. After that, what you have to do is go over to properties and then go over to levels and make sure it's not muted. Now just click OK, then click OK again and restart your PC, and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.